In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure your Calendly settings to make sure you are getting the most out of this amazing scheduling tool. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to your Calendly account. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, which is the main hub for all your scheduling needs. Now look for your profile icon, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, select All Settings. This section is where you can personalize your Calendly experience according to your preferences. Once you're in the Settings menu, you will be presented with various options to configure. The first thing I suggest you look at is your profile settings. Here you can edit and enhance your profile to ensure that it represents you accurately. This might include your name, profile picture, and any other details you want to share with those scheduling appointments with you. Make sure to save any changes. Next, let's talk about branding. Now scroll down and click on the branding section. This area allows you to customize your Calendly page to reflect your personal or company brand. You might want to tweak the colors or add a logo that aligns with your branding. Once you've made these adjustments, click Save to apply them. After setting the branding, let's move on to My Link. This section lets you customize the link people will use to book time with you. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure that your link is memorable and easy to share. Choose something that is related to your name or business to make it easier for clients and colleagues to find you. Don't forget to save your changes here too. Now we're going to shift our focus to communications. Click on the Communication tab. Here you'll find options related to how you want to interact with people who are scheduling appointments with you. Adjusting these settings can improve the overall experience for both you and your invitees. You can set preferences for notifications and reminders about upcoming meetings, which can be extremely helpful to keep everyone on track. As you scroll down, you'll see Login Preferences. This is an important area to review, especially concerning how you want to log in and the security measures you'd like to implement. It's always a good idea to enable two-factor authentication if you haven't done so already to keep your account safe. Speaking of security, let's go back to the Settings sidebar and take a look at the Cookies setting. This allows you to manage how Calendly tracks cookies and other site data. Depending on your privacy preferences, you might want to adjust these settings. By managing your cookies, you will have more control over your online presence and ensure a more private experience. Once you've gone through these settings, take a moment to double-check all your changes to ensure that everything is configured just the way you like it. After all, having your Calendly set up correctly ensures a smoother scheduling process for both you and those who wish to book time with you. In conclusion, configuring your Calendly settings is essential for tailoring the experience to your specific needs. From personalizing your profile to adjusting communication preferences, every step plays a part in how effectively you can use this tool. Thanks for joining me today as we walked through these steps. Make sure to explore each option as you go, and don't hesitate to revisit your settings in the future as your needs change. If you found this video helpful, I'd love for you to subscribe and like it to support more content like this. Happy scheduling!